Hey everybody, Roy's Garage, and today we got a Nissan Titan pickup truck in here for a small dent repair. We're doing a small dent repair, and sorry I didn't get onto the video with what the dent actually looked like, but it was a pretty good crease. It was a pretty good crease right in here. That was a pretty good crease. Customer backed into something and dented the shit out of that right there in that one area. So small spot repair, but I'll tell you one thing. This this Nissan Titan is a massively huge truck. This is a 2018 model, and this thing is really big. It's a big one. Had to kick out the Chevelle because this thing's so big, but we got the dent worked out. We got it in primer. I'm gonna block that out and then re-primer it again because this is actually a black pearl. The paint's a black pearl, and you have to block it out and reprime again just to make sure that you don't get any wiggles in the paint when we paint it. So letting that cure, gonna block it out and reprime it, and it'll be ready for final paint. Okay people, catch you later.